Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ahad Beauty World. Today I wanna share with you 4 home remedies for thickened hair. Hair loss is a common problem nowadays, as hair is regarded as an acid that enhances on its physical appearance. Building or thinning hair is problem that many want to correct as soon as possible. Some of the common factor contribution or thinning hair is excessive physical or emotional stress, nutritional deficiencies, pollution, allergies, use of wrong hair care product, poor hair care routine. If you have thinning hair, there is no need to spend money on expensive treatment and product. There are many natural remedies to help you get thicker and voluminous hair. Here are 4 exclusive home remedies to thicken your hair naturally. First, egg. Regular protein treatment is essential to enjoy strong and thickened hair. For a protein hair treatment, the best ingredients is egg. Take on 2 eggs depending on the length on your hair and beat on properly. Apply the egg on wet hair and allow it to set for about 13 minutes. Wash your hair with normal water and shampoo. You can use this protein treatment once or twice a week. Another option is to mix together on egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of your hair oil of your choice and 2 tablespoons of water. Use this mixture to massage your scalp properly. Follow this remedy once a week to enjoy thickened hair. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil will also help to thicken your hair. Massage your hair scalp with warm olive oil and leave it on for a last 13 to 45 minutes. Rinse it out properly and wash your hair using a mild shampoo. You can also leave the olive on your hair overnight and shampoo your hair the next morning. Another option is to mix olive with the shampoo honey and apply the mixture on your hair. Use either or their remedies once or twice a week. Number 3. Avocado. Avocado can also be used to get thicker hair as a moisturizer and thicken the hair. Vitamin E present in the fruit contribution to the overall hair health. Make a mixture on the mashed avocado, 1 mashed banana and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Massage it on your scalp and leave it the mixture on your hair for about 13 minutes so that the nutrition are absorbed by the scalp. Finally, rinse it out and shampoo your hair. Number 4. Castor oil. Massaging your scalp regularly with cold pressed castor oil is easiest way to get thicker hair naturally. Due to its high viscosity, it coats the hair properly and protein against hair fall. This oil has high amount of vitamin E and fatty acid that promote hair growth. Heat a mixture of equal parts of castor oil and coconut oil. Simple using castor oil we also work, but it tends to be the thick. So friends, thank you for watching in this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe now.